On May the 29th, Duchess of Sutherland worked this train from Lancaster to York to reach Railfest. In 2002, 6233 was used to haul the Royal train in North Wales, and now carries an appropriate royal crest above the nameplate. The headboard recalls the class's past glories hauling crack West Coast mainline trains. Duchess of Sutherland is currently the only working Duchess, and as such has a large and enthusiastic following. Another mainline visitor was Alton Hall, still carrying its famous red livery, following its appearance in the Harry Potter films. At Railfest, it stood in for the failed Flying Scotsman. It hauled the VIP special from Doncaster to York, and also worked a series of Scarborough Spa Expresses. Another imposter of a kind was this K1, wearing Lord of the Isles nameplates, as carried by long-scrapped relative 61996. It was one of the centerpieces of a display of Eastern Region engines, which included Oliver Cromwell and Holden B12 class 61572. This is Britain's only surviving inside cylinder 460, and was saved from scrap by Norwich Shedmaster Bill Harvey, who ignored instructions to send it to the breakers, giving enthusiasts enough precious time to raise sufficient funds for its purchase. After a very lengthy overhaul, part of which was carried out in eastern Germany, it's back in service, based on the North Norfolk Railway.